Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Land Rover Discovery Sport 2-liter TD4 SE Tech Auto 4WD, a spacious and capable SUV designed for comfort and versatility. At the front, the Land Rover features a bold grille, halogen headlights, and a sculpted bumper for a commanding road presence. From the side, the Land Rover stands out with 18-inch alloy wheels, sleek body lines, and electric folding mirrors for added convenience. At the rear, the Land Rover features LED taillights, a powered tailgate, and a practical 7-seat configuration for maximum versatility. Powered by a 2-liter TD4 diesel engine, the Land Rover offers a smooth and efficient drive with 4-wheel drive and an automatic transmission, ensuring confidence in all conditions. Stepping inside, the black leather and cloth seats provide comfort, with heated front seats for added warmth. The leather steering wheel features multifunction controls for easy access to audio, cruise control, and hands-free functions. The center console houses a navigation system, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and climate controls, making every drive enjoyable. The 7-seat layout offers flexible passenger and cargo space, with adjustable second-row seats and ISOFIX mounting points for added convenience. The powered tailgate allows easy access to a spacious boot, perfect for everyday use and family adventures. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration LF67HYX to book a test drive or request a video tour.